I think I feel great about the work that work visa lawyers did for me. It was sort of the back of the mind. I did have doubts about whether this will be a great ROI, but I must say that it was really worth it. And yeah, I feel great about the work that you guys did, and honestly, feel very blessed. Thank you so much. So in my case, the initial consultation that I had with Chris was basically to understand whether I will even qualify for the GTI independent visa that we were trying for. Now, given my age, my family's age, when I say my family, I mean my spouse's age, etc. I knew that I wouldn't qualify for any of the visas under the point-based system. So the initial consultation that I had with Chris was really, really helpful in making me take the decision forward. And at no stage, Chris or anyone in the team pushed me to consider their services or try to sell me anything. They were very transparent and honest about, hey, these are the factors that will make or break your case. So I had transparency right from the beginning. And then when I decided to go ahead with the application, the initial stages of EOI, again, I was helped by Rosa and maybe some other team in the background as well. And I'm very thankful to all of them, because when it comes to GTI, I understand that the EOI, the first stage, is very, very important. And I got a lot of help there as well. We had to ensure that it was a very strong case. At the help that I got from Rosa and the team, I don't think I could have done it on my own. So from that perspective, even small things like helping me with the right kind of language to use or pointing out some grammatical mistakes, etc., every little input helped. So thank you so much. I do not recall any major issues with my visa application. It was pretty smooth sailing, and that goes to say the capability of work visa lawyers. But I think after the application was submitted, I believe there was a period where we were waiting for the department to come back with the final result, the outcome. And I remember my wife and I, we were quite anxious as to what will be the outcome, because that had a lot of dependencies. There were financial implications as well that we had to consider. And Rosa stepped up again. She contacted their counterpart in the department, and we were able to fast track my visa because I was on site, or sorry, in the country. I believe that the precedence was being given to people who are outside the country, and rightly so. I understand that we need to bring in more people inside before we can actually prioritize the people who are already there. So from that perspective, that was one difficulty that I felt was again handled very well by work visa lawyers, and especially Rosa, because I don't know if someone were to do this on their own, they will be able to manage that or not. So thanks. Absolutely, and I already have referred a couple of them. I think one of them has had an initial consultation with Chris. So I'm very hopeful and positive that they will find similar success that I did. In any case, I know that work visa lawyers will do the due diligence, and candidates would find success. Thank you. Well, my plan in Australia is to continue doing what I do in my field. I want to ensure that I excel more, and I'm also looking at ways to contribute to the society.
We are one of Australia's largest immigration law firms and have a team of professional immigration lawyers and registered migration agents that can help you. Please hit subscribe and the bell to get notified of our latest news videos.